Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the Boyum IT's Produmex WMS release notes 2022.06. We're going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new features of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with all that the new release has to offer. In our video today, we're going to discuss 3 new quality of life features. 1. Group Picklist proposals. 2. Select a logistic carrier during ad hoc picking flow. 3. Order view of replenishment orders. We'll also discuss a new feature related to container management, importing lines from a CSV file for containers with purchase type and sales type. We will also cover the weight system in production, weighing products and byproducts. Group Picklist proposals. If you have multiple sales orders selected for the same customer address, now it's possible to group the lines of the sales orders on the same proposal with the Picklist robot and the Picklist proposal manager. To use this function, enable to try to group items on one proposal setting on the Picklist proposal generator. Each time you create a new proposal, the system closes the existing ones and creates a new one for all sales order lines. Select a logistic carrier. Now you can select a logistic carrier during the ad hoc picking flow when not using any movable location. The new feature applies to the Picklist task and the route task of the flow, and the system displays the Select a Logistic Carrier screen. Order view of replenishment orders. With the new release, both extensions of the replenishment generator offers 2 new settings, the orders view name and the orders view order by. With the settings, you can define the order of the replenishment orders displayed during the replenishment flow. Container management. Now with the new release, it's possible to import lines from a CSV file. The container management screen includes the Import Lines button for containers with purchase type and sales type. The container management controller offers 2 new settings for the import: CSV Purchase Custom Header setting and CSV Sales Custom Header setting. Weight system in production. Now, Produmex WMS offers the new weight capture needed during production setting in the Item Master Data window. If you use this setting, the product or the byproduct must be weighed during the receipt from production flow and the production flow. If the setting is enabled, the system displays the Enter the Weight screen during production. As a prerequisite, you need to have a scale defined for the production line. To learn more about the new features of Produmex WMS, check out the official release notes documentation on Produmex Wiki. This concludes our video on the new features of Boyum IT's Produmex WMS 2022.06. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and to keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.